Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're cranking up the cool factor with the Noctua nitrogen monofluoride A14 PWM premium quiet fan. If you're serious about your PC's performance and aesthetics, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Alright, folks, it's unboxing time. We're going to reveal what's inside the package and give you a first look at the Noctua nitrogen monofluoride A14 PWM premium quiet fan. This fan is all about delivering cool, silent performance. We'll explore its key specs, including its 4-pin PWM design, maximum rotational speed of 1500 RPM, and impressively low noise level of 24.6 decibels, quiet computing at its finest. The nitrogen monofluoride A14 boasts an award-winning design that has received accolades from hardware experts worldwide. We'll dig into what makes its square frame so unique and why it's perfect for water cooling and case setups. Get ready to make your PC build truly yours. We'll showcase the chromax.Black.swap edition of this fan, which comes with swappable anti-vibration pads in 6 different colors. It's like a fashion show for your PC components. What's under the hood? We'll discuss the SSO2 bearing, a second-generation marvel that brings stability, precision, and durability to your fan. Noctua's engineering excellence at its finest. Let's talk about performance. The nitrogen monofluoride A14 features flow acceleration channels that optimize airflow and reduce noise. We'll explain how this tech improves efficiency and keeps things whisper quiet. Whether you're upgrading your case or enhancing your water cooling setup, this fan's square 140mm frame is a perfect fit. We'll detail why this design choice offers superior coverage and pressure performance. We're not done with customization yet. Discover the world of possibilities with accessories like colored cables, additional anti-vibration pads, and mounts. Your PC aesthetic dreams are just a click away. In summary, the Noctua nitrogen monofluoride A14 PWM premium quiet fan isn't just a cooling solution, it's a statement. It combines award-winning design, customization options, and Noctua's renowned quality. But is it the right fit for your PC setup? If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Noctua nitrogen monofluoride A14 fan, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and insights. Have you used Noctua fans before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay cool and stay tech savvy with Product Critique. For more tech wonders and reviews, explore our channel. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique.